You're watching an Involve Me tutorial on managing partial submissions in your Involve Me projects. For your information, partial submissions are available on the Pro plan and above. It will give you valuable insights into the behavior of your audience members, even if the submission wasn't completed. So basically, a submission is considered completed when a user reaches the final page of your project. However, if they navigate away before finishing it, a partial submission is created. To reveal partial submissions, you need to go to your analytics page. So when you have your project open, you're going to click on Responses in the top navigation menu, and then click on Responses again. And here you can see all these responses with question marks next to them. These are an indication of a partial submission. You can see that all the submissions that I have here are partial. So if I click on partial submissions, all of them are still here, and if I click on completed, I have none. For your projects, you have a 30-day window to reveal your partial submissions. After 30 days, these submissions will expire and be deleted. To reveal a partial submission, you click on the partial submission with the question mark, and then you can choose to reveal this submission. Or you can choose to reveal all 6 partial submissions for the project. You can at the bottom see how many more days you have left before your partial submission expires. So let me reveal all 6 partial submissions for this project. And then I will reveal now. This is what it will look like once you have revealed your partial submission. An important thing to note here is, depending on privacy laws and data regulations in your country or company, and the country of the user who created the partial submission in, you may need to obtain consent before revealing the data. So please make sure to comply with the relevant regulations. So how many of these partial submissions could I reveal? Revealed partial submissions count towards your monthly submission limit. For example, if you're on the Pro plan, you can gather 5,000 completed submissions, or a combination of, for example, 4,900 completed submissions and 100 partial submissions. Of course, you can also test revealing partial submissions in draft projects without it counting towards your monthly limit. If a partial submission includes uploaded files, you can reveal it if your plan has enough storage. Deleting your partial submission, right here, will free up storage, but the reveal will still count towards your submission limit. If you decide not to reveal a partial submission within 30 days, the data will simply be deleted. When it comes to integrations, you can only trigger an integration for a revealed partial submission. And then you'll need to trigger the integration manually. So you can click on it, and you can either trigger it one by one, or send for all submissions for which the integration has not yet been executed. So if I've just revealed all my submissions, and then send now, it will trigger the integration for each and every single one of my past revealed submissions. Of course, you can also export revealed partial submissions along with your other data exports. By clicking Export Data right here, you can choose, for example, an XLS file. And as you can see right here, the submission will include 5 exports, which matches the amount of partially revealed responses I have gathered. Another important note when it comes to timing is when the user abandons your project, their partial submissions will appear in your analytics within a minute, although it can take up to 15 minutes in some cases. As you can see here, the Summary tab of your analytics only includes data from completed submissions, as including partial submissions might skew the results. That's why when I scroll down and I only have partial submissions, you can see that no response summary was formed. However, you can view the number of partial submissions in your key metrics right here. Of course, once you reveal your partial submission, it will stay in your account forever, just like a regular submission would. From this point, you are responsible for the data it contains. And just like that, you know how to reveal partial submissions within Involve Me in order to gather valuable insights from your target audience. For more support, go to help.involve.me. And good luck getting involved!